Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to use Google Meet. This is very simple. As you can see right here, you can go to this gear icon when you go to Google Meet, and here you can set up your audio. Choose a microphone that you want to use and choose a speakers that you want to use in your meetings. Then go over to video and select the camera that you want to use in your meetings. Now you can close this one. You can click on new meeting and you can create a meeting for later or start an instant meeting. You can also schedule a Google Calendar meeting. For the sake of this tutorial, I will start an instant meeting and show you how to use it. Here you can add others or just copy this link, click on this icon and send it straight to someone, and they can join simply just by clicking on this link. You can enable this and disable this to enable and disable your microphone, and also the same for your camera. Here you can share a screen, you can send a reaction if you want, you can turn on captions, raise hand, and here you have some more options such as backgrounds and effects, open picture in picture, full screen view, or adjusting your view. Here you have the button to leave the call if you want to leave the call. If you want to add others, just click on this people icon and click on add people, and there you can enter their emails and add them simply straight from here. If you want to remove them from this call, just click on more action, and here you will have the option to remove them from this call. So that's basically it. That's how to use Google Meet. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.